Assalamu alaikum aspirants. A frequently asked question in FPSC, PPSC general knowledge portion is which of the following is not a Baltic state or which strategic corridor connect the Poland with the Baltic states. Today let's master all the high yield exam point regarding the Baltic nation. The Baltic states consist of three sovereign countries in northern Europe located in the eastern coast of the Baltic Sea. Geographically, they are bordered by Russia and Belarus to the east and Poland to the south. They also border the Kaliningrad, a highly strategic detached Russian territory. The significant bay nested right between the Latvia and Estonia is known as the Gulf of Riga. Let's talk about the bordering territories and enclaves. Geographically, the Baltic states are surrounded by the major power players. ईस्ट साइड पे रशिया और बेलारूस हैं, साउथ लिंक पे पोलैंड का बॉर्डर है और वेस्ट जो है वो फुली डोमिनेटेड है बाल्टिक सी बेसन से। इसके अंदर एक एक्सक्लेव जोन भी है जिसे कैलिनिनग्राड के नाम से जाना जाता है। ये जो एक्सक्लेव जोन्स होती हैं बेसिकली ये वो एरियाज़ होते हैं जो बिलोंग तो किसी और कंट्री से करते हैं लेकिन इनके साथ कोई लैंड कनेक्शन नहीं होता उस कंट्री का, और या तो ये दूसरी कंट्रीज से इंटायरली सराउंडेड होते हैं या फिर वाटर बॉडीज़ से। तो कैलिनिनग्राड जो है ये रशियन एरिया है और ये है सराउंडेड बाय बेलारूस एंड लिथुआनिया। अगर आप जाना चाहते हैं रशिया से लैंड रूट के ज़रिए कैलिनिनग्राड तो आपको मॉस्को से बेलारूस और लिथुआनिया से होते हुए वहाँ पर जाना पड़ेगा। Let's talk about these countries one by one. First of all, we'll talk about Estonia. Imagine a country where almost every government service is just one click away, where you can vote online, start a company in minutes, or even become a digital resident without living there. This is not the future. This is Estonia. ये एक छोटा सा मुल्क है लेकिन टेक्नोलॉजी में दुनिया से बहुत आगे है। Estonia is widely known as one of the most advanced digital societies in the world. After gaining independence from the Soviet Union in 1991, the country focused heavily on digital transformation, becoming a global model for the e-governance and innovation. It is often called a digital republic due to its fully integrated online government services. Let's talk about its basic state profile. Its capital is Tallinn and the currency is euro. The official language is Estonian. Most people speak Estonian and English is widely understood, especially among the youth and professionals. It has a basic parliamentary democracy and the name of its parliament is Riikikogu. Tallinn itself is a beautiful blend of the medieval history and the modern digital infrastructure. यहाँ पर पुरानी तारीख और जदीद टेक्नोलॉजी साथ साथ चलती है। One of the Estonians' most famous heritage location is the historic center Old Town of the Tallinn, which is listed as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. This area represents the medieval architecture, cobblestones, streets. Estonia is a global leader in the digital governance. Some key innovations include the e-residency program, which is launched in 2014. Estonia introduced the concept of the e-residency, allowing the non-citizens to start and manage the European Union-based companies online. This means you can run a business in Estonia without physically living there. ये बहुत बड़ा इनोवेशन था जिसने बिजनेस की दुनिया को तब्दील करके रख दिया। ऑनलाइन वोटिंग सिस्टम इज नेक्स्ट वन। Estonia introduced the internet voting, e-voting, in 2005 and becoming the first country in the world to allow the nationwide online elections. Citizens can vote purely from anywhere in the world using the digital ID systems. Security and transparency are ensured through the advanced encryption technologies. And the last one is digital society model. Almost every service are digital: healthcare record, tax filing, education system, business registration. Only marriage, divorce, and the real estate transactions require the physical presence. Famous tech solutions like Skype were completely programmed and built in Estonia. Let's move toward the Latvia. लेटविया एक ऐसा मुल्क है जो बाल्टिक खत्ते के दरमियान वाक़ है और तारीख़ी और सकाफ़ती लिहाज से बहुत अहम समझा जाता है। लेटविया इज़ कॉल्ड द हार्ट ऑफ द बाल्टिक because of its central geographical position among the Baltic states, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. It serves as a natural bridge between the northern and the eastern Europe, both geographically and culturally. Its capital city has historically been a major trade and the maritime hub, making it strategically very important. Latvia's capital Riga is the largest city in the entire Baltic region by population. Riga is also globally famous for hosting the Latvian Song and Dance Festival after every 5 years, a massive cultural event officially recognized as the UNESCO Masterpiece of the Heritage. The currency of Latvia is euro. The official language is Latvian. The parliament is basic parliamentary democracy and the name of the parliament is Seima. Latvian is one of the oldest Indo-European languages still in use today, preserving the deep historical roots. The major international airport gateway is the Riga International Airport. It is the largest airport in the Baltic region and connects the Latvia with the Europe, Asia and beyond. This airport plays a very important role in tourism, trade and the regional connectivity. Metropolises. Latvia is highly urbanized with Riga being the dominant metropolitan center. Riga is known as the economic, political and the cultural capital of the country. Latvia has a population of around 1.8 to 1.9 million people, with being Riga the most populous. It has highest literacy rate, strong education system, multicultural society like the Latvian, Russian and other minorities, and the gradual population decline due to the migrant trends. One of the Latvian most important cultural landmark is the historic center of the Riga UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for the art of the Nouveau. Its culture, art and identity includes the folk songs, traditional dances and music, wooden architecture, strong national identity preservation. यहाँ की सकाफत बहुत ही गहरी और तारीखी जड़ों पर मबनी है. One of the most famous cultural tradition is the Latvian Song and Dance Festival. This festival is held after every 5 years and is also recognized by the UNESCO as intangible cultural heritage. Thousands of the performers gather to celebrate the national identity through music and dance. Next हम बात करेंगे the southern giant Lithuania की. Lithuania is sometimes referred to as the southern giant of the Baltic region, not in a literal geographical sense, but because of the relatively large land size and the stronger population base and the historical influence compared to the other Baltic states. इसका ये टाइटल ज़्यादातर रीजनल साइट्स और हिस्टोरिकल इंपॉर्टेंट की वजह से इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Its capital is Vilnius, which is also a major cultural and a political center. The country uses the euro as its currency and the official language is Lithuanian. The national parliament is called the Seimas and the Lithuania follows a parliamentary democratic system where the government is formed through the elected representatives. Although Vilnius is the capital and it is important to clarify that the Lithuania is not landlocked overall, but its capital Vilnius itself is inland and not a coastal city. ये common confusion है क्योंकि capital sea coast पर नहीं है लेकिन पूरा मुल्क landlocked नहीं है. In regional dimensions, Lithuania is considered the largest Baltic state in terms of land area and it also has a comparatively stronger population base than the Latvia and Estonia, making it the more significant in Baltic region balances. One of the most unique geographical feature is the Koronian Spit, a narrow and the highly distinctive sand dunes formation shared with the Russian Kaliningrad region. This area is UNESCO protected due to its fragile ecosystem and contains some of the Europe's most active and highest moving sand dunes. ये एक बहुत ही रेयर और नेचुरल इकोलॉजिकल सिस्टम है जो दुनिया में कम जगहों पर ही मिलता है. हिस्टोरिकली लिथुआनिया हैज़ डीप सिग्निफिकेंस डेटिंग बैक टू 14th century when the Grand Duchy of the Lithuania emerged as one of the largest and the most powerful state in Europe, stretching across vast territories including part of the modern-day Belarus, Ukraine, Poland and Lithuania itself. This gives Lithuania a strong historical identity and long-standing geopolitical importance in Europe. अब जल्दी से क्विक रिवीजन सेशन कर लेते हैं. तीनों कंट्रीज़ की पॉपुलेशन स्केल को सबसे पहले कंपेयर करते हैं. तो एस्टोनिया की पॉपुलेशन सबसे कम है 1.3 मिलियन, लेटविया की पॉपुलेशन 1.8 मिलियन, लिथुआनिया की पॉपुलेशन 2.8 मिलियन है. इसी तरह अगर कैपिटल की बात की जाए तो एस्टोनिया का कैपिटल टैलिन है, लेटविया का रीका और लिथुआनिया का विलिनियस है. सॉवरेनिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू 1991 में ये तीनों स्टेट्स जो हैं यूएसएसआर से इंडिपेंडेंट इन्होंने हासिल की थी इंडिपेंडेंस. इसी तरह अगर इन बात की जाए कि इन्होंने यूरो को एज अ करेंसी कब अडॉप्ट किया तो एस्टोनिया ने 2011 में, लेटवियन 2014 में और लिथुआनिया 2015 में यूरो को एज अ करेंसी अडॉप्ट किया था. अगर बात की जाए नेटो मेंबरशिप और यूरोपियन यूनियन इंटीग्रेशन की तो तीनों कंट्रीज़ जो हैं वो नेटो का पार्ट हैं और यूरोपियन यूनियन के मेंबर भी हैं. 2004 में इन्होंने नेटो ज्वाइन किया मार्च में और यूरोपियन यूनियन को ज्वाइन किया मई में. एक गैप है जिसका नाम है सोवाल्की गैप. ये गैप जो है ये 65 किलोमीटर का मिलिट्री बॉटलनेक गैप है जो कि पॉलिश लिथुआनियन बॉर्डर पर है, जो क्या करता है कि इन तमाम बाल्टिक नेशंस को नेटो कंट्रीज़ के साथ लैंड से कनेक्ट करता है. Now it's time to take your test and solve some MCQs. Which of the following groups of the countries is collectively known as the Baltic states? Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Iceland and Sweden, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania, Poland, Germany and Denmark. आप इसको पॉज करके इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं एंड द राइट आंसर इज़ एस्टोनिया, लैटविया एंड लिथुआनिया. Next one is what is the capital of the Estonia, which is famous for its well-preserved medieval old town? Riga, Vilnius, Tallinn and Helsinki. The right answer is Tallinn. Next one is which Baltic country is largest both in terms of population and land area? Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Finland. And the right answer is Lithuania. Our next question is the Baltic states gained their independence from which communist empire in 1991? The Ottoman Empire, the Austro-Hungarian Empire, the Soviet Union USSR, the British Empire. And the right answer is the Soviet Union USSR in 1991. Next question is which of the following currencies is currently used by all three Baltic countries? Koruna, Euro, Ruble, Litas. And the right answer is Euro. Next question is which Russian exclave is bordered by the Poland, Lithuania, separated the Baltic states from the mainland Europe? Crimea, Kaliningrad, Siberia, St. Petersburg. The right answer is Kaliningrad. The next question is the capital city of the Latvia is situated on the Gulf of Riga. What is its real name? The Vilnius, Tallinn, Riga, Minsk. And the right answer is Riga. Next one is in which year did all the three Baltic states simultaneously join NATO and the European Union? 1999, 2004, 2010 and 2016. The right answer is 2004. Our next question is what is the unique geographical feature of the Vilnius, the capital of the Lithuania, compared to the capitals of the Estonia and the Latvia? It is located on an island. It is completely landlocked and not situated on the Baltic coast. It is situated inside a volcanic crater. It is below the sea level. And the right answer is it is completely landlocked and not situated on the Baltic coastline. The next one is the linguistic roots of the Estonia are entirely different from the Latvia and Lithuania. To which language family does Estonian belong? Slavic, Uralic, German, Romance. The right answer is Uralic. Next one is which narrow strip of the land connect the Baltic state to the Poland and the rest of the continental NATO allies, sandwiched between the Kaliningrad and Belarus. The options are the Suwalki Gap, the Girgoi-Ross Corridor, the Khyber Pass, the Corridor of the Danzig. And the right answer is the Suwalki Gap. The next one is the Estonia is globally renowned for pioneering which innovative digital governance concept? E-residency, paperless currency minting, artificial intelligence, judiciary, global internship ownership. The right answer is e-residency. The next one is what historical peaceful mass demonstration occurred across the Baltic states in August 1989, where 2 million people joined the hands? The Velvet Revolution, the Baltic Way or the Baltic Chain, the Orange March, the Solitary Uprising. And the right answer is the Baltic Way. The next one is the Latvia and the Lithuanian languages belong to which specific branch of the Indo-European language family? Celtic, Baltic, Hellenic, and the Anatolian. The right answer is the Baltic. Last but not least, which body of water borders all three Baltic states to their immediate west? The North Sea, the Black Sea, the Baltic Sea, the Caspian Sea. And the right answer is the Baltic Sea. That's all for today. Follow for more.